Hi, this is Sean Morgan with ChronoLogic, and I'm here with some representatives of Decred in Brazil, and I wanted to talk to them about this new feature that you told me about earlier. Can you give us a quick introduction to Decred, and then we'll talk to the developer about the new feature?
Sure. So Decred is a governance-focused cryptocurrency where we have a hybrid proof of work and proof of stake, where the proof of stake validates the proof of work blocks. And basically, governance is the whole focus of the currency, and we think that with a governance layer, we can build anything on top of it.
So can you explain from a technical perspective how the new feature works?
So right now, if you want to participate on Decred's governance process, you need to purchase a ticket, and the price of the ticket is about 90 Decred. And the new feature will be able to slash that price on about 10%. You'll be able to buy and participate on Decred's governance system by buying only by investing only in 10 Decred, for example.
So you don't have to be rich to be a part of the community now.
Yeah.
That's a great benefit. Okay, so what are some other main benefits of Decred?
Perfect. So we have Politeia, which will be an off-chain voting system coming up soon, where our stakeholders will be able to submit proposals, and with that they will be able to use the 500,000 Decred dev fund, which is almost untouched right now, to be able to develop new features, marketing, sponsorships, go to conferences and sponsor them. And basically, anyone that has a tiny fraction of Decred will be able to make those proposals. They will be voted through Politeia, and if it actually gets approved, then the funds would get released, and that would be done.
So you're using your own governance model to grow your own community. I think that's a great idea. So I work for ChronoLogic, and right now we specialize in scheduling transactions on Ethereum for the future. And we're really interested in branching out to schedule transactions on other blockchains. This could be at a smart contract level. It doesn't have to be a payment. So that could be involved with voting, for example. So is this something that you see as a needed part of the ecosystem for Decred?
Yes, for sure. I think that with Politeia, if it's a consensus on the community, anything can be built on top of Decred. Smart contracts, privacy, for example, is coming up soon for Decred, which will be opt-in. You will be able to send public or privacy transactions. And I think that, for example, ChronoLogic, you can use recurrence and pay. In the future, you'll be able to pay like monthly or even scheduled transactions. And I think that's a needed feature, because right now you can only pay through the blockchain on the go.
In the moment.
Yeah, on demand. Yeah. So you aren't able to schedule it yet. So that would be a needed feature, that's for sure.
So the Politeia backend could even be used for that, because the whole code is open source. So potentially ChronoLogic could pick up the Politeia source and use that as a basis for scheduled transactions on Decred.
That's the great thing about open source. Okay, very good to get your thoughts on that. So where can people go to learn more about the Decred Brazilian community?
Perfect. So I think that as a whole, decred.org is the place to go for sure. But we do have many community channels on Twitter, Facebook, and others. So we are very open. We invite you to join our Slack through the community tab there. And we have a big community in Brazil and abroad as well. So yeah, come join us.
Great. Thanks for speaking with us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.